Hi guys, so today we started chapter 8 and we learned how to solve equations. So today we're going to be learning how to graph the equations, okay? So on your table of contents, I want you to go ahead and put graphing equations on page 78, okay? And then when you're done, go ahead and go to page 78. So at the top, we're going to put graphing equations, and then I want you to divide your paper into 4 sections. So we're going to do 4 problems. So the first problem is going to be x plus 7 equals 13. Okay, so remember, we're trying to find out what the value of x is. So something plus 7 has to equal 13. So the best way for me to do this is to do the opposite of what I have. So minus 7 minus 7. So here I just have x. These are going to be canceled out. And then 13 minus 7 is going to be 6. So x is equal to 6. So now we're going to have to draw my number line. So I'm going to draw my number line. And I'm going to start with 6. Okay. Now, we need to make sure that we put the right numbers on the right place. So 6 is positive, so that means that we're going to have 7 here, 8, 9, and over here we have 5, 4, and 3. Okay. So we're going to put a point on 6, okay, and then we know that this is going to be our answer. Okay. Okay, the next problem we have is r minus 7 equals 10. So again, we're going to do the opposite. So plus 7 plus 7. So r, this cancels, is equal to 17. And again, we're going to draw our number line. And we're going to have 17 here. And then this is 18, 19, 20. And this is 16 and 15. We're going to put a point right here on 17. Okay. Then, our next problem, we have negative 8w equals 32. Okay. So this means multiply. This means negative 8 times something has to equal 32. So I'm going to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So I have to divide by negative 8. So I'm going to divide by negative 8 here. And then this is canceled. So w is going to equal, now this is positive 32 divided by negative 8. So my answer is going to be negative 4. Okay. Now we're going to graph it. So we're going to put negative 4 here. Now be careful here because we have negative 4. Okay. Now on the right side, this is going to be negative 3, negative 2. And then on the left side, it's going to be negative 5, negative 6. And then we're going to put a point right here. So we need to make sure we put our numbers in the correct place when they're negative. Okay, and the last problem is going to be z divided by negative 9 equals negative 9. Okay, so the opposite of division is multiplication. So I'm going to have to multiply by negative 9. Okay, So okay, so these are canceled, and we have z is equal to -9 times -9. A negative times a negative is a positive, so positive 81. Now we're going to draw our number line. And again, this is positive 81. So we're going to have 82 over here, 83, 84. And over here we have 80, 79. And we're going to put our point right there. Okay? So that's how you graph an equation. So you have to draw your number line, put the numbers in the correct place, whether it's positive or negative, and then you're going to put a point on the answer that you got. Okay? And that's it.